Let me turn this fine list of ingredients into that. All right, we're gonna get these prepped. We got a few jalapenos that I picked a couple days ago. We'll just separate these in half. Take the insides out. Cleaned out the vein, the guts, the inside, whatever you happen to call them. Took those all out. There's a couple stray seeds in there, which will spice our life up. It's cream cheese, chicken, and some kind of like Frank's Red Hot sauce. So we're just going to stuff these with this. Then we'll put them in the cast iron skillet, and we'll run them over there, and we'll put them in the Ninja Woodfired Oven. Probably don't need to on my cast iron sticks, but I'm going to hit it with a little bit of oil, and I'll tell you why I do that. Because every time you bake something in your cast iron skillet, it's pretty much like you're re-seasoning it. So I'm just going to use a little bit, wipe it pretty dry. All right, we just stuffed up the last one, and guess what? It fits perfectly. It's a small miracle. And I think I'm just going to take a little bit of my favorite seasoning here, because it's just good stuff when you're smoking and baking. So put a little bit of that on there as usual. Nothing to it. Look at that smoke still rolling. We'll put them in there. Have them on for about 15 minutes. Want the tops to get a little bit brown, you know, so kind of get a little crunch to them, and then we'll put that other cheese on top, melt that over top of everything in 10 minutes or so. Oh, we can probably go a little bit longer. Probably about the time I had set. I don't know about the rest of y'all, but I love to count down. 3, 2, 1, done! We'll turn this thing off because I think we're ready. Let's take a look. Ooh, I hear them sizzling. Ooh, these peppers are hot. Look at those. That's what we made them ingredients into. So look at that. So all we got to do now, throw a little bit of that cheese on top, and we'll be golden. Mexican style shredded blend here. We're just going to put a little bit on each one. And this is pretty piping hot. Not take much to melt this. I think having some fresh cheese on top will add to the flavor. Make them a little gooey. Let's put a lot of cheese on. Can't hurt you, right? Alright, cheese is on. It's obviously hot enough to melt cheese, so let's let it melt the cheese, and we'll get it over there, and we'll give her the big old taste test. Alright, let's check these. It's been exactly 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Oh my. That right there is some jalapeno poppers with that pre-made chicken dip with the Philadelphia cream cheese chicken and Frank's Red Hot. Got it at Sam's Club. Take and get a little cut. Hey, you kidding? Cooking with Bob doesn't do it that way. Let's just go for it. Pick that baby up. It's pretty hot. The jalapenos are hot, but man, that's delicious. Yeah, I like it. Look how delish. Try it out, cooking with Bob style. Man, them babies are hot.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Tad. It's Cooking with Bob. What are you doing?
What's up, Bob?
I made the best ever jalapeno poppers. They're hot. You want to try some?
Sure.
You're down there?
Yeah.
All right, I'll be down.
All right. Thank you, Bob.
All right, bye. Take a little play of these down to my buddy Tad. He's kind of famous in these parts and like hot stuff. Let's see how he can handle Cooking with Bob's Jalapeno Poppers. Just right over the hill here. We're going to cut through. Don't do this at Campground where you don't know everybody. You got to try one of these, my man.
Oh, boy.
Oh, boy. They're really, really hot. Seriously.
But can I?
It's spicy.
Can I see it?
Yeah, you can.
They look amazing.
They're really hot.
I'm so excited. Oh,
yeah.
They're really tasty. It's just the peppers are too hot.
I'm so excited.
You can eat hot
But
stuff.
the cheese
Oh, I
hanging
love
over the edge.
Got some heat. Just saying. I told you they were hot.
They're hot, but I like hot.
Yeah, well, good. That's that chicken dip from Sam's Pub. Cream cheese and chicken and red hot sauce. We got us another victim. You like hot stuff?
Oh, I love hot stuff.
All right, well,
It looks delightful.
snag yourself a Cooking with Bob jalapeno popper.
It's probably going to be delicious.
It's-
We'll find out here in a second.
Yeah, probably. It's kind of hot. Tad's still over there drinking another water.
Probably not that hot.
Oh, come on. Seriously.
It'll creep up.
It'll creep up on you, dude. No?
So, what's creeping?
You had a couple adult beverages that fried your taste buds, I'm thinking.
That's delicious.
Stone sober.
He is not stone sober.
What do you think?
I'm-
Beep.
No
All right.
F words.
I can beep it out. So, what do you think?
I think it's pretty good.
Good. Glad
Really
you
good.
enjoyed. You might want to have another one.
Yeah.
That's what I'd do if I was you.
Mm-hmm.
Go for it. They're a little hot. Be careful.
Come on, open.
Be careful. You can do it. Well,
It's good.
you like it?
Yeah.
Hot?
Just gonna touch it. You love it? It's spicy.
It hasn't gone crazy hot yet.
Well, it will be.
You'll get a seed and you'll be like, why didn't Cooking with Bob take the seeds
I
out?
loved it. And
I did try. I just left a couple floaters.
It's good.
All right. Glad you enjoyed.
Delicious.
And there we have it. The
Got it
crowd.
right.
They're all subscribers. We're just going with they're all subscribers, right? Yeah. All right. Cooking with Bob. That's it. All right. See ya. Cooking with Bob.
And drinking with
You
Ted.
should be an MC or something. Try it out. Cooking with Bob style. And as always, if you like my videos, I'd appreciate if you'd click that like, subscribe, and notification. It really helps us small channels out. I'm going to enjoy these, and we'll see you on the next one.